And you're going around all these cusps, just make sure that everything, the axiopulpal 9 angles are all rounded nicely. See that? So this, that's why you need to check in. Now when you hold a pencil and mark a finish line that your lab fellow should be able to see. Only if you can see it, he is going to be able to see it. You can't see it, he is not going to be, he is not a magician, please remember. Get that? You saw this prep? The margins and everything are looking pretty decent. Let's look at this one now. Yeah, so now I have a problem here. What happened here suddenly?